Hi, I'm Austin. This is our 1982 Toyota Chinook Resto mod. Our account is Make a Venture Travel. So we got a engine swap from a 99 4Runner in here. So we got this little jump start switch right here, and it jump starts our starting battery from our house batteries. So if we ever leave the headlights on or something drains on our starting battery, we can have our own way to jump start. Fully built out bumpers. Here's my custom built bumpers. We get keep all the dirty stuff outside. We got oils, we got straps in here, shackles, snatch blocks. A lot of people ask me where I got the bumper, and no one built the bumper I wanted, so I decided to build them myself.
Great work.
Everything on here has been custom built. Everything full frame off restoration. We've got Overland EMU suspension, re-geared to 456 gears. And we've got a Tacoma rear axle in the back. Got onboard air compressor. We got air fittings on each side right here. There they are. So we can air up on each side of the truck. That's a diesel heater. That's a little outdoor shower if we need it.
Perfect.
So this is the interior. We've kept it pretty simple. We've got our Dometic fridge. We got a diesel heater down here. We just got a little 1 gallon diesel tank to power it. We've got a custom built table right here built from old maps, layered in epoxy. Our bed actually has been completely redesigned from the original Chinooks. We take these different platforms here and they sit up on these rails, so at the end they get pinned in.
I see, yeah. Very cool.
Everything else we just kept kind of simple, hand-built, cabinetry. Because we're traveling full-time, we're traveling down to South America. So we won't be able to find parts wherever we are.
So we have like a power here, or we run like a solar power?
Yeah,
or?
so we got 100 watts of solar up top. And this is just our switch panel. We just keep it on our voltage. We also have dual fuel tanks, so we can these are 2 different switches, so we can pump from our main tank to auxiliary tank, then back over to our main tank once it gets low.
Awesome.
Then just our different lights and water pumps and whatnot.
Oh, you've got AC unit here?
We do.
Man, nice storage. Love the floor too. Got a fan, reversible fan, huh?
Yeah, that's our TV.
That's
for the diesel heater.
Oh, got it. You got recessed lights here.
Yeah, got little reading lights as well down here.
Oh, yeah. I just got the dimmer on the lights. Nice.
Alright, so we've got this whole center console from the 99 4Runner that we swapped the engine from. We basically need the center console with the shifter here for the transmission, but we also custom built the center here for a touchscreen deck here, so we can have our navigation, backup camera, and then remove the factory radio and install the CB radio. But still want to have the whole dash to still have that vintage look. And then another thing we also have is we have a check engine light. So since originally this truck wouldn't have normally had check engine light, but we need a check engine light for this engine swap. So my fiance actually, she photoshopped from the Toyota logo the check engine light and the font to make it look exactly like a factory setup in there. Actually functional check engine light.